Welcome to the Washington State DOT Electronic System Network for Oversize and Overweight Permit Information Pro, also known as eSNOOPI Pro, user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the steps needed for navigating the company dashboard at eSNOOPIPro.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the User Tutorial Videos link. The first time you log in, the system term of service will be displayed, and acknowledgement is required. After logging into the system, the company dashboard will be displayed. The company dashboard is the primary interface of Washington State DOT eSNOOPI Pro. The screen is split into three sections, with the administrative panel on the left, shopping cart, statistics, and messages on the right, and the permit queue panel in the center. Above the permit queue panel is the Order New Permit link. To order a new permit, select this link and follow the prompts in the permit application. The central section of the company dashboard is called the Permit Queue panel. The primary function of this Permit Queue panel is for you to interact with your permits. The Permit Queue panel lists all the permits associated with your account. The Filter By drop-down list allows you to filter the permits displayed in the Permit Queue panel based on the parameters selected. The drop-down list at the bottom of the Permit Queue panel allows you to define how many records will be displayed on the dashboard at one time. The Next link at the bottom of the Permit Queue panel allows you to view additional permit records for the company on the dashboard. The Next link will only be displayed when the number of allowable permit records per page is exceeded. The icons displayed in the Actions column of the Permit Queue panel allow the user to perform various actions for a permit. The icons displayed are dependent on the permit status. Permits that have a status of User indicate the permit order process is incomplete. Choosing the Resume Permit icon in the Actions column allows you to resume the permit application to complete it. Choosing the Cancel Permit icon allows you to delete or cancel the permit application if it is no longer needed. Permits that have a status of Pending indicate the permit application has been submitted by the customer and must be processed by a state user for approval. An Issued status means the permit is issued and valid. An Expired status means the permit's expiration date has passed. View information about the permit application by clicking the View Details icon in the Actions column. For permits that have been previously issued, the permit PDF can be opened directly from the company dashboard by clicking the Download PDF icon. The PDF will not be available to the customer if the permit was ordered by a permit service. Beside each permit in the queue, the Expand chevron can be selected to view more information about the permit application without accessing permit details. Click the Collapse chevron to collapse this additional information. Click the Copy Permit icon to start a new permit application that retains the same information as the copied permit. All permit information can be changed in the new permit except for the permit type. The permitting system uses several other statuses to indicate the position and the workflow for the permit application, or to indicate if additional information is needed for the applicant. The administrative panel runs down the left side of the company dashboard. The administrative panel contains several links allowing users to perform different functions regarding their company account. This panel is expanded by default, but can be collapsed by using the Expand/Collapse chevron. The Company Management link will display the Company Management screen where you can edit and maintain company account information. If your user type is set to User, clicking the Company Management link will only allow you to edit your own information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. If your user type is set to Supervisor, you can edit company information such as the company email address, contacts, addresses, terminals, users, and vehicles. If your company was created by a US DOT number, some of these fields will not be editable. A permit must be set up as a user to log into the system and order permits. To set up a new user, click the Company Assets link on the Company Management screen. On the Company Assets screen, locate the Users section and click the Create User link. The User Management screen will be displayed. Enter all required information and click the Save button to add the new user to the company account. Please keep in mind that all users must have a SAW, or Secure Access Washington, account before being added to eSNOOPI Pro. To edit an existing user, locate the Users section, find and select the user's name in the drop-down list, and click the user's name link. The user management screen will display all user information so you can edit the details for that specific user. The SAW login username cannot be edited. Click the Save button to update the user's information. To add a new vehicle to your inventory, locate the Vehicles section that contains all vehicles stored in the system for your company account. You could add new vehicles by selecting the Create New link and entering all required information. Click the Submit button to add the new vehicle to the inventory. To edit an existing vehicle, select a vehicle from the drop-down list. The vehicle information will be displayed. From here, you can change the user number, make, year, VIN, plate, plate state, vehicle type, terminal if terminals are entered, and the Washington Registered GVW. Click the Submit button to update the vehicle information. There are 3 ways to add vehicles to the permitting system. Vehicles can be added individually in your company assets, or they can be added during the permit application process. Multiple vehicles can be added to your inventory at one time by uploading a spreadsheet via the Vehicle Import link on the company dashboard. Follow the instructions provided on the screen. Clicking the Company Dashboard link in the administrative panel will bring you back to the company dashboard. The Pre-Trip Planning link will allow users to generate a route without actually submitting an application through eSNOOPI Pro. This feature is provided as a service for quoting loads and is a suggestion only, as it does not consider bridge review or other routing reviews that may be required as part of the permit application approval. The Reports link will allow users to view and print various reports, such as a customer reconciliation report. Both the Shopping Cart link in the administrative panel and the Go to Shopping Cart link in the Shopping Cart panel will bring users to the shopping cart. There is a separate shopping cart video detailing how to navigate and purchase permits from the shopping cart. The Statistics panel displays basic information for your company account for each day, such as the number of permits issued for your company and the number of self-issued permits for the day. These numbers are refreshed throughout the day as permit activity continues. The Messages panel displays any messages added by the state. Such messages may include important announcements pertaining to the trucking industry or permitting in Washington, as well as permitting system maintenance and scheduled downtime. This concludes the Washington State DOT Electronic System Network for Oversize and Overweight Permit Information Pro System user tutorial video on navigating the company dashboard. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.